My name is Art Johnson. I serve as the Chief Executive Officer. So there's all kinds of definitions of alignment. The clinical answer is it is the strength of harmony between strategy, structure, and culture. But we've all experienced some level of alignment, whether it was being on a sports team, being part of an organization, corporate America, it could be being part of a concert choir, or whatever it is. We know what that zone feels like. It creates those goose pimples, that excitement about what it is that you're doing. And you know when it happens. So part of this is really trying to find out what it's going to take to get the organization to have those goose pimples and be excited about what it is they're doing. The Orgametrics process begins with an assessment. Once we get a sense of how aligned the organization is at all levels throughout, around the mission, the vision, and the strategic plan, we can start to feed the leadership team with information, analytics that help them make informed decisions relative to how do we get the right pockets aligned, where are the areas of misalignment, what are ultimately going to drive higher levels of alignment. And when everybody starts getting on that same page and creating that real crescendo effect, that's when we start to see higher levels of performance. So the mission statement defines directionally where the organization is going. The vision is what the world will look like once they realize that mission. And then the strategic plan is the roadmap by which how they go about getting there. And so part of our responsibility is to find out, have the employees of the organization bought into that? So there's other ways of looking at, are employees engaged? Are employees excited about their work? Are they satisfied with the company that they work for? But the thing that we've found to be most relevant to the performance of the organization is, are they aligned around the mission? That alignment drives a higher level of excitement. It keeps people around. It talks to the purpose of their work. People don't get tired or burned out nearly as fast because, again, if you're doing something that's truly your heart's work, you don't get tired doing it. Many organizations are trying to get more done with less. As we think about efficiencies, boy, there's nothing more important than everybody getting on the same page. So the degree to which we can measure where that organization is relative to getting on the same page, the example I use all the time is when a leader says, take the hill, and looks back down the hill and sees a bunch of people meandering down around the bottom, the question they want to know is why. So once we can get that why question answered and get everybody taking that hill, we can have a lot more positive impact on the desired goal.